This week we thought we'd take a real good look for some very affordable headphones, something within a budget that's not too well known but does look rather promising. And well, after searching just a few pages on Amazon, we did come across these particular headphones today. They are £44, that's around 60 in US dollars, and they are indeed the, hopefully it's the right pronunciation, the Prtukyt ANC 918 Bluetooth headphones. Now these did stand out to us as they are specified as having a massive 50 hours music playback time. Ooh, 50 hours. Obviously, like most headphones though, I'm guessing that is while using 40% of the volume. Nevertheless, we will be checking out that max usage time for ourselves using 100% volume. But for now, let's check inside the box. Alright, so we are supplied with a snazzy hard shell case. It does have a zip opening all the way around it. Let's open it up. I'm liking the look of these headphones, I've got to be honest, and they are certainly lightweight. They have an adjustable headband. Those drivers do swivel 180 degrees. Do they fold though? Nope, they don't, but they do have good flexibility, so they should fit any size head. Now I'm kind of surprised because on Amazon, as they are described as being black in colour, now they're in front of us, these headphones actually look a shade of grey. Dark grey in fact. Yeah, 50 shades of dark grey, because they do look a bit naughty. No, joking aside though, I really do actually like this colour, and first impressions, really surprised and impressed by the overall build quality. But before we go any further, let's first check out what accessories we do get. So within that little pocket to the top, hang on a sec. I do like how soft that inner lining is of the case. It's real nice. But yeah, back to that little pocket. Within it, we get a very, very detailed instruction manual, which is always good to see. There is a 3.5mm audio cable included so you can listen to music in wired mode, but I've just noticed, guys, that one end is indeed an L-shaped connection. So when using it, say on a PC or laptop, it's going to be perfectly fine using this cable. But throughout experience, as I've known, when plugging it into a mobile phone, when that mobile phone is in your pocket, well, that L-shaped end is susceptible to failing. I just wish they would have included a basic flat 3.5mm cable, really. Now, in way of charging that Bluetooth headset, we are supplied with a micro USB charge cable. Hello, I'm a micro USB charge cable from 4 to 5 years ago. Oh, I've lost my Wavers originals. Have anyone got one? Oh my god, come on, it's 2021. Type-C is the way to be. Alright, so let's check out the functions, shall we? So we do have a very clicky play, pause, call, answering button. Do you like how these buttons feel, guys? So you can feel for these buttons blindly, I think. But we do have a previous and extract selection that also acts as your volume up and down button. There's an LED indication light. There's that micro USB charge port, guys, yep. As well as a CVC 8.0 microphone. And yep, we have that active noise cancellation switch. Now they look good, but how comfortable are they? Let's try them on. Okay, let's adjust the headband. Oh, you got the left and right icons, that's good. Nice and easy to see. And you don't have to worry about this particular headset fitting any size head. It fits perfect. I would say that they are fairly glued to my head. Let me just make the point though that although the specifications do state that these are over-the-ear earpads, in fact, nope, they do indeed feel like they are just touching the outer rim of my ears. Now these are memory protein earpads which are fitted on top of those 40mm drivers. Nice and firm. Not going anywhere. They are really comfortable, and that is thanks to that memory protein padding of the headband and those matching earpads. And I will make one other point, guys. These earpads, they can't be replaced, and they are in fact glued in. Let's hook them up using that Bluetooth 5.0 connection. Alright, so okay, there it is, Prtukyt ANC 918. And connection does take only a few seconds. That's pretty good. Noting that there is also a battery indication percentage which is displayed upon your mobile phone screen, depending on what mobile phone you're using, that is. Alrighty then, let's play a track. Need a tune with some good bass, I think. Oh my days! Woo! That bass line! Wow, the bass with this headset
is fantastic. No, it's not too overpowering, and those high tones are really good too. Okay, let's choose another track with vocals. Let's choose Ice Cube. Now, you guys won't be able to hear this due to copyright, but I'm going to blast it out. Okay, let's turn that volume down. And when it comes to the mid-range, I've got to be honest, it does sound somewhat rather distant when it comes to particular genres of music. So I've got hip-hop music playing, a bit of Ice Cube. It just seemed a bit drawn back at times. Well, what's the most shocking thing about this headset? Check this out, guys. So if we go ahead and switch it to ANC mode on, now usually the audio quality when ANC is on would really drop, just so it would silence all the outside world and basically drop certain tones. And it's sort of a gamble with particular headsets, but with this headset, this is the most amazing thing. Check this out. Yes! Let's pause that. Again, copyright. Now, the most amazing thing is, when the ANC mode is switched on with this headset, all the audio levels sound almost spot on. Even the mid-range, the vocals sound more upfront, and all the tones just fall into one another. So basically, ANC mode does work, and the audio quality is actually really brilliant too. But one thing, again, I will note is that when the ANC mode is switched on, some people are stating that you get around 90 to 80% outside noise blockage. Unfortunately, that's not true. That is only when music is playing. So with the music playing, the music volume will actually add to that silencing. You will only get 40% outside noise blockage. So again, with that initial 40% outside noise blockage and music playing at nearly full volume, you will easily block out most of the outside noise. So yeah, keep that in mind when you're looking for ANC headphones. That's usually when it states it's got around 80 to 90% outside noise blockage. To me, that ANC has been tested with music playing. In addition to that, with these earpads being on the ear earpads rather than over the ear, you are obviously going to have some sound leakage. And that's to be expected with on the ear earpads, I'm afraid. Now, we have tested these Prtukyt headphones out over the past few days using 100% volume all of the time. We did get 25 hours use using 100% volume, 15 hours use with that ANC mode on, but you can dramatically improve that usage time by reducing the volume to 50%, reaching up to 50 hours music playback time and 30 hours music playback time with that ANC mode on. Comfort wise, for long use, I would advise nothing more than 3 hours at one given time, as again, those on the ear earpads do tend to make your ears feel a bit hot at times and a bit sweaty. And when it comes to that Bluetooth connection, well, it's simply, well, mental. I honestly got past 80 meters before that Bluetooth switched off. So way past that distance in the specifications. In fact, in my workplace, I managed to get to the second floor and it still didn't cut off. Overall, whatever your intended usage is when you're buying a budget set of headphones, whether you're just wanting it for your kids, for yourself to listen to music at home, or maybe to use within the workplace, these Prtukyt ANC 918s will certainly surprise you for the price. They do have that above average audio for that price range, and because they won't break the bank, and because they do have a real good look about them, being as they do come in 3 different colour choices too, I most definitely can recommend them. For comfort, I'm going to give them an 8 out of 10. For functionality, I'm going to give them a 9. For audio, I'm going to give them another 8, with an overall rating of 8 out of 10. Again, basing these Prtukyt headphones within the budget price range category. Now, I really loved doing this review this week, and I actually really loved looking for some good bargains. And you know what? I'm going to leave a link in the video description down below. I'm not affiliated in any type of way. You can go and check that link out should you wish. But if you have liked what you've seen today, well, why not go get yours? While you're in that video description, guys, it means so much if you please smash a like on this video today. Most importantly, please subscribe to this channel, making sure to stay tuned by hitting that bell notification option so you guys will stay updated on all our new uploads. Now, we've got some brand new tech in the house today, and we're going to be testing it out over the next week or so stay tuned for those new uploads. But as usual, guys, please stay safe, and thank you ever so much for watching. Peace!